How can educational institutions efficiently manage access to their premises, ensuring safety and security, while also maintaining a welcoming environment? This is a question that many academic institutions grapple with. Imagine a system that removes the need for security personnel at every checkpoint, replacing them with an automated human detection system. A system that can detect individuals entering and exiting, noting specifics such as gender, in-counts, out-counts, and other pertinent information. This is not a distant future concept. It is a reality achieved through the fusion of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things technologies. The solution is an AI, ML, and IoT-driven automated system. It uses advanced algorithms to detect humans, monitoring entries and exits at various gates and capturing specific details. This system is powered by TensorFlow and PyTorch frameworks, using a convolution neural network algorithm, all running on Python programming language. Consider the computing power required for such a system. A minimum GPU. NVIDIA 2060 with 6 GB, an 8 GB RAM machine, and over 100 GB of storage. The hardware for deployment includes a Raspberry Pi 4B with 4 GB of RAM, a camera module for visual recognition, and ample storage for processing. This system is not just an impressive display of technology. It provides tangible benefits. It increases the safety of residents and hostelers by 99% and reduces risk by 98%. It also promotes utilization of school facilities, increasing from 50 to 90%, and reduces unexpected incidents by 90%. The process to implement this system is meticulous. It involves collecting a robust training dataset, designing and implementing the AI IoT algorithm, and then training the collected dataset with the implemented AI IoT algorithm. This is followed by testing, validation, and iterations to minimize the average loss to less than 1. Finally, the solution is installed, deployed, and monitored through a live dashboard, providing decision-makers with real-time control of their premises. In summary, the challenges faced by academic institutions in managing access to their premises can be effectively addressed through an AI, ML, and IoT-driven solution. This system not only enhances security, but also provides data-driven insights for better management of resources. It's a testament to the power of technology and its potential to revolutionize the way academic institutions operate. The future of campus security and management is here, and it's powered by AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things.